Hey there, friends! Today we're gonna make snowflakes!
Come on and play. Come on and sing. Come on and learn in Popz Treehouse.
Ooh, let's see what's inside the Create-A-Crate. We have a pair of scissors and paper. That's it. First, we need to make our paper into a square. Fold the top left corner down to meet the other edge, just like this. Perfect. Now, crease down that folded edge. We don't need this piece. Let's cut it off and toss it away. Unfold it, and you can see we made a square with a fold down the middle. Fold your paper back in half along the fold to make that triangle. Take the top right corner and fold it down to the bottom left corner. Do you know what shape this is? That's right, an even smaller triangle. Now, watch what I do. Fold this side in about halfway, almost like folding a paper airplane. Do the same to the other side, matching up the corners. It should look something like this. Turn your paper over and cut along the folded line. We don't need these top pieces. It kinda looks like an ice cream cone. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Now for the cool part. Let's design our paper snowflake. With your parents' help, cut out a cool design into the sides of the paper. You can do any design you want. That's what makes snowflakes so cool. Each one is so different. A triangle here. A curvy cut here, another triangle here, more cuts along the top, maybe some cool designs on this side too. Perfect! Be careful not to cut near the point, as this holds the snowflake together. Now for the best part. Slowly unfold your paper and see how it looks. I'm so excited! Beautiful! Look at the cool designs. It even falls like a snowflake. You can make so many cool designs. Check out these other ones I made. So many different shapes and sizes, just like real snowflakes. Snowflakes are all different shapes and sizes. This one looks like it has a flower inside of it. So spiky! Ouch! This one is a little more simple, but still beautiful. Look at all these snowflakes. You can either hang them up as decorations or throw them around for a snowflake party! Woo! If you want to see more of my fun videos, all you have to do is search for Popz Treehouse. Later, Gators! Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social channels at Popz Treehouse to stay up to date on new videos and fun content for kids.